Before the Casios and Seikos, before smartphones sticked in our pockets, there was the HMT. And among all the mechanical legends it created, one name stood out: the HMT Pilot. A humble watch, now a cult icon. In this video, we dive deep into the legacy of HMT, the story behind the Pilot, and why it's still one of the most cherished mechanical watches in India and beyond. Hey everyone, welcome back to Time Teller Diaries, where horology meets history. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell icon if watches are your thing. HMT stands for Hindustan Machine Tools. Founded in 1953 by the Indian government, it was originally set up to manufacture machine tools for the newly independent country. By 1961, something remarkable happened. HMT entered the world of watchmaking in technical collaboration with citizens of Japan to manufacture watches for the people of India. For decades, HMT was the largest watchmaker in India. These were not luxury timepieces, these were watches made for everyday Indians. The workers, teachers, soldiers, business professionals, scientists, professors, timepieces that marked lives, marriages, and retirements. The motto of HMT was simple: create affordable, durable, mechanical watches for the people of India. The HMT Pilot was introduced in the late 1970s or early 1980s. Records vary slightly online. It was a no-frills, hand-wound wristwatch designed for durability and simplicity. In short, it was the Indian people's field watch. Originally priced at a mere 350 to 500 rupees, that's roughly around $5 to $7 back then, it became a staple among students, factory workers, and clerks. It was designed with a minimal but masculine black or white luminous dial with Arabic numerals and a clean 35 case. So why do people love the HMT Pilot so much? First, it's fully mechanical, no battery, just gears, wheels, and winding. 2. Each Pilot has a story. For many, this was their first watch, a gift from a father, a reward for passing school, a reminder of simpler times. 3. The design is timeless. The 35 case might seem small by modern standards, but on wrist it wears with vintage elegance and purpose. And finally, nostalgia. The Pilot isn't just a watch, it's a memory machine. The HMT Pilot runs on HMT caliber 0231, a hand-wound mechanical movement based on Citizen's Miyota 0201. It ticks away at 18,000 beats per hour with a power reserve of around 36 to 40 hours. It has 17 joules and is known for its simple, serviceable design. You can open it, clean it, oil it, and it'll just keep ticking for decades. The case is stainless steel with acrylic crystal. Water resistance? Well, let's just say don't take it for swimming. Now the question is, can you still buy an HMT Pilot? And the answer is yes. You can still buy an HMT Pilot, but not from official HMT showrooms or online platform, as those are long gone. Your best bet, online marketplaces like eBay, Etsy, Indian platforms like OLX, Quicker, or Vintage Watch Reseller, or Instagram. Now the prices range anywhere from $20 to $50, depending on the condition, dial color, and the authenticity. But watch out for fakes, or many sellers who are just swapping out dials and hands. Always ask for movement photos and ideally look for model with original HMT sign, crown, and case back. It's very easy to open the back, so any seller should be able to send you those photographs for authenticity. The HMT Pilot is more than a watch. It's a time capsule, a piece of industrial history, a reminder that something so simple, honest, and mechanical can still stir our hearts in a world full of digital noise. So if you have ever owned a Pilot or are planning to buy one or own one, do drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your story. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into iconic watches from around the world. Until next time, keep winding, keep ticking.